Oh, siya ma, picture ma. Picture.
Hi.
Look at Lola na. Don't look at Daddy. Kana. Yes. Hindi madaling mag-move guys. Uy, grabe. So, sa mga nagtatanong pala guys kung bakit palipat-lipat daw kami ng accommodation, ganito kasi yung istorya na
Celine, why are you too strong?
Celine is winning. Celine is winning.
Celine, why too strong?
It's too strong enough. Why too
Mommy,
strong?
Mommy, why Celine is so strong?
Because she drinks her milk. That's why.
Oh, I think I can. Whoever gets this one wins.
Okay. Alright. Pull Celine. Good, Celine.
Oh, I can.
Come on. Oh, Celine.
Yeah.
It's okay, my love. You both are winners from Mama. Okay. Okay. Sige.
Whoever gets it wins.
Okay, my love. Good morning, sabi, tita and tito.
I got it.
Say good morning, tita and tito.
Hi.
Good morning. Na.
Good morning.
Did you have a good sleep,
Yeah.
Paris, Nicole?
Yeah, look at my backside. I got the number on the backside.
Yes, you do. It's 24.
24.
Kagagising lang yan, guys. It's 9 o'clock.
This one.
See, 24.
Hmm?
Lakers.
24.
24.
And look at our
How about you, my love? What's your number? Hmm? What's your number?
my number is A.
No. Ay, sara number mo lang.
Okay.
Yes, Daddy.
I'm still on the next one, please.
Okay. Okay. Can you keep an eye on Celine, anak?
Okay. I'm just going.
Thank you.
I'm gonna play with her.
Okay.
Here's me. It's yours.
Ayan, guys.
I
Oh,
can
mga
play.
nalabhat. Kailangan pang tupiin.
Like he's too strong. Look.
Yeah, now play with her, ha? Alright, guys. Morning, Daddy.
Morning.
Guys, okay, it's happening again. Can you see all the suitcases?
Actually,
What does it mean? It means we are moving once again. Once again. What would you like me to do, Bob?
sit on the suitcase.
Do you think it will work?
Sit on it. Sit down. Put that inside.
That's probably too much, Daddy.
Well,
That's too
I'm
thick.
gonna give it a try. Go. There's only one thing here that's too thick, Mommy.
Put the pink one in that blue plastic bag.
Sit on this up. Again. All good.
Hold that.
Oh, that's so heavy, fuck.
So where are we moving now, Daddy? Where are we moving
I
to?
think Garden Point Hotel. Garden View Hotel.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Shit, hot.
What's this in here? Oh, we got marshmallow. Purple throw it away.
You want
So, huh?
You want this?
Daddy will take Celine Weenie out.
Do you want that?
Yes. Just put it in. I'll put all the rubbish in. Let's Marshmallow.
This is the...
Probably the other way around, Bob. This paper bag and plastic bag.
Let's get something out like that.
Alright, so yeah, Daddy Mike will take Celine out for walkies while I finish stuff here, guys. So ito lang naman. We started it last night already. So, ayan. Kailangan lang silang i-close. Ito, kailangan itong tupiin. Hi! You're gonna go out for walkies?
No.
What now?
Hi.
What now? Hi! Did you win, ah? Did you win?
No, dude. No, she did.
I thought you said she win.
My thing there was because I got it.
You win, my love.
I got it.
Sing sa anak. Alam niyo guys, nagising to siya tapos ang ganda ng kanyang mood. Kanta-kanta siya na.
Chumming guitar in the rolling swing, singing to be alright.
Cover me. Ow, ow, okay. Cover me in sunshine. Yeah!
Yes.
Everything is ready. Ayan na ang aming mga bags. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, guys, we'll just book 2 taxis. So, isang maxi, yung isang malaki, tapos yung maliit. Kasi, hindi siya kakasya. Hindi kami kakasya lahat, guys, isang taxi. Nadagdagan kasi ito yung gamit namin, guys. Kasi nga, may pinick up ako sa, diba? Sa box, sa storage. Kaya, yeah, no, impossible na magkasya na kami sa isang get 2 taxis. Nakabalik na pala si Daddy Mike from their walk. Tutulog ang ating baby. Ayun, nakagising. And Ate Paris is here talking to the family in the Philippines. My mama. Ma, say hi. Mama.
Hello, good morning everyone!
Good morning, everyone. Ritual namin to, guys. Every time, video call talaga. Ay, talk to your lula, anak.
Good morning, Monty! Good morning, Paris Nicole!
Good morning.
Love, Lula!
Do you love lula, na?
Sweet girl na, ay! Big girl naman, ay!
I make a hat.
You make a heart? Heart ba na, ma? She's giving you a heart. Show lula your heart.
What's this?
Hello. Gising na ang aming baby girl. It's too bright. It's too bright for me. Hello. Ay, hindi si mama tignan up eh. You don't need that one, babe. I'm going to do it. Where did you go, Nak, for a walk? Where did you go? Huh? Bulak-bulak mga kanak.
My picket.
Pikit? Di lula pikit? Wala man.
Good baby!
Good morning. Lula?
Oh, Ate Paris!
Say hi, Lula.
Josh!
Hindi pa kamata. Anak lang. Sabi, Celine's baby is together.
Unsa yung natanin nyo na anak? Wow!
Kuhan mag-taxi.
Ha?
Taxi. Halalala. Halalala.
Kuya Kuno! Ay!
Gusto ko pag ulo ni Paris na, be. Abay na kayo mong ulo na, be. Dali na. Say, hello, Lola. Hello, Lola. Is that your Lola? What's Lola's name, Paris?
Vilma.
Vilma. Vilma.
Vilma.
Lola. Vilma.
Daddy, say hi.
Hi.
Now it's like later on.
See, she's smiling. Hi, oh, siya ma, picture ma. Picture.
Hi.
Look, look at Lola na. Don't look at Daddy. Kana.
Hi, you just say hi first.
Daddy said hi na.
Yes.
Ang siling totoy.
You
Ang
silly
siling
girl.
totoy.
Out the back.
Bangin na bot ka.
Nakalabas na lahat ng mga gamit, guys. We're just waiting for the Uber. Hoy, honey! Come here.
I want Daddy.
Oh, there's a car. There's a gorilla waiting there for you. Ah, goodness. Hindi madaling mag-move, guys. Uy, grabe. But we're getting there. Getting there. Anak, tingnan niyo. Baby Celine. Shh! Celine! Hi! She's sitting down. Sitting down like a big girl. Shh. 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 Hello, princess. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hindi lumalabas sa haring araw, guys, but seriously, it's still hot. Very sweaty. Anak ko. So we're going to, guys, to isang taxi, Uber, tapos isang taxi na yung maxi ba, yung malaki para kasya to lahat. Anak, we're going to the city naman. Yung hotel namin ay nasa city. It's not far from here. You okay?
Yeah, I think the taxi.
Is taxi here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I run so fast.
Okay. Sorry, I'm not ready to get the chef. I'll get it up for 2 minutes. So 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 7. Oh yeah. 3, 3, 3. Yes, honey girl. Yan. Hotel. This one. I was wondering where you are. Where are we, honey?
Welcome.
I come here.
Welcome to your new house.
This is Paris's new house.
New house.
Daddy, come inside here.
Oh,
Mm.
Come inside.
Oh, we got 2 beds, honey.
Wow.
What do you think?
Wow.
Nice, yeah? It's alright?
Yeah, it's good.
Clean? Smells nice?
Oh, we got TV. Oh, honey. Welcome, Mr. Mackenzie.
Coffee machine.
Yeah. So, thank you, Dida. Alam niyo ba, guys, fun fact. We stayed in the, remember when we were 38th floor? Yan. Ang kaibahan is, ito siya, guys, hotel talaga ito siya. And that one is an apartment. I like, yeah. So we had to do everything. This one, my room service and everything. There you go.
Wow.
Wow. I like this one kasi hindi kami masyadong mataas, guys. That one was 38th floor.
What do you think, Paris? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Ngayon, 3rd floor lang
Is your
kami.
Yeah.
house? It's just for how many sleeps, mommy? 9?
No, less than that.
No, 25th until the 2nd.
Oh, yeah.
And it's 31 days.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Honey girl!
8 nights, yeah?
A new house? In the new room?
No, I didn't take shoes off.
Yes. Okay, honey. So that's the picture tayo, guys. So this is their beds. Queen size bed both.
I really
So ayan, mga bagahe nandyan. At mga bagahe nandito. So again, nandito lang kami for
Are you in the city?
1 week.
Or no?
Yeah, 1 week until the 2nd of, yeah, we're in the city, anak. Feb, kami dito.
I'm just gonna come outside, so... Are you happy with the room?
Yeah.
Huh?
Tapos pa, seriously, thank you. The bath, and that is mirror. Yan, oh, alam niyo talaga kapag ano, no, kasi may mga ganyan. Pag hotel, may mga ganito. Sanitary bag, vanity kit, bathing cap, shampoo, conditioner, and all. Meron silang ganito dito. Glasses. Ayan. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay ano yan siya, guys, rushing because he has to go to work.
Daddy?
I have to get her out of work.
Daddy's going to work? Oh my goodness. I don't know how Daddy does it. I don't know how Daddy does it, honey. Yeah. You wanna go to bed?
Where do you want to go to?
Do you think you like the bed, honey girl? Come on, 1, 2, 3, go!
We have shoes first.
Yeah, you have to.
My kids have shoes.
Sure, love me.
Whoa. Some stuff.
Yeah?
You have to find a cheaper way to eat, yeah?
Yeah.
Stuff up. Stuff up.
Yes.
Stuff up.
It's okay, it's okay. Yes? Woohoo! Okay, lay down next to Celine.
Don't make the noise.
Okay.
Celine.
Okay, go.
Go to work. I'll be home soon.
Daddy will be home soon, and tomorrow there's no work for Daddy tomorrow.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Where they will be.
Kiss mommy.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. I was about to go.
Uy.
Mommy.
Do you know your way from here to work?
I'm getting a taxi.
Where? Okay. See you, Daddy. Oh, Daddy, where's the key? This one? Is that two?
Yeah, give me one. See ya. See you soon.
See you, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Okay. Take care, Bob. Kami na lang dito, guys. Okay, it's okay. Didi? Okay, we'll have Didi. We'll have Didi. The little one fell asleep. Ayan. So, alam nyo guys, Paris was looking for the fridge. Ayan. Sabi ko, open this one. You show me? Tell tita and tito.
There's only milk.
There's only one milk.
I like this.
Oh my goodness.
I really want this milk.
Okay, let me see that first, babe. Yeah, it's good. Do you want to drink it? Okay.
We're gonna get some more milk later. And food.
That's right, we can do
And
that.
ice.
And what?
We're gonna make ice. Yeah, we're gonna make ice.
And then, ito yung kanilang mga coffee. We will go out soon to get something to eat, guys, because I'm hungry.
We can go to shop and put some food in here. You can eat some.
Okay. Want me to open?
Yeah, we can get some when they come home.
When who?
Daddy.
When Daddy comes home?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oopsie. Hold it properly. Hold it properly. There you go. Yum? Mm. Remember guys, nung doon tayo sa taas, dyan sa kabilang building, remember na pag nagbi-video tayo sa baba, merong pool. I think this is it. I think there's a pool there somewhere. Dyan. It's so cool. Sa mga nagtatanong pala guys kung bakit palipat-lipat daw kami ng accommodation, ganito kasi yung istorya namin guys. Ganito talaga yung istorya. Supposedly, yung biyahe namin from Melbourne to Brisbane is 4th of January. Pero, nag-move kami dito sa Brisbane earlier. So, 30th of December because natakot nga kami na baka mag-lockdown at hindi kami makaalis ng Melbourne at yung mga kagamitan namin ay on their way na dito sa Brisbane. So, instead of leaving Melbourne on the 4th, umalis kami ng 30th and parang last minute na yung pag-book ni Daddy Mike ng hotel namin from the 30th to the 4th. Kasi nga, yung hotel namin dito sa Brisbane, binook na ni Daddy yun before kami umalis ng Melbourne. But then, itong sa harapan natin na hotel, nagstay kami dito from the 4th to the 11th. Kasi yun lang yung available nila na time para i-rent namin yung place. Kasi nga, peak season siya guys, like January. Super busy nila. Kaya, Daddy Mike had to book another accommodation from the 11th to the 25th, which is today. So, yun yung small place namin doon sa Kangaroo Point. Hanggang 25th lang doon kasi, yun na nga, we were hoping na makahanap na kami ng long-term rental place namin before the 25th. So, makamove na kami sa doon sa kung saan long-term kami magsistay. Which, yun naman yung nangyari, guys. Like, we got approved with our place and all. Pero, the only thing is, it's not available until the 31st of January. So, unfortunately, yung nabook ni Daddy Mike doon sa Airbnb namin is hanggang today lang. Kaya kailangan naming mag-hotel ulit for another week dito. Kasi kinausap naman ni Daddy Mike yung may-ari ng Airbnb, guys. Kaya nga lang, 'di ba, pag nag-book ka ng ganyan, kailangan may notice talaga. Unfortunately, from today, meron na ring ibang family yung magsistay doon. So, that means that we had to find another place, which is this one, na binook ni Daddy Mike just a couple of days ago. So, hindi pa rin kami sa city, like central talaga. And then, we had to stay here until the 2nd of Feb, even though ready na yung house sa 31st, ngayong katapusan. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na I wanted to have a couple of days na parang i-ready yung bahay. Kasi nga, yes, available na siya. We will get the key from the agent. However, wala pang mga gamit. So, wala pa yung bed namin. Wala pa talaga, like, zero. Wala talagang gamit doon sa bahay na yun. So, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, let's use a couple of days para i-ready yung ating place. So, we'll put bed, we'll put all the furnitures. Siguro nga, hindi namin malalagay lahat pa. But, yung mga kakailanganin lang talaga. Like, yeah, for example, yung bed, tsaka yung fridge. And then, oh, is Celine awake?
Yeah.
Did you ever sleep? Wala mo ka natulog na. Uy, drama raman to imo na. Ano, nagising na ang baby.
Come a little closer. There's just a knock and come over here.
Iga?
Look.
Yeah, I know. I can see. You talk to your sister.
Lily.
And I know it's not very easy, guys. Yung palipat-lipat, especially daming gamit na dala, may dalawang bata dyan, oh. But then, who am I to complain, diba? I'm just very grateful that we're able to you know, stay in places like this. Yes, anak?
I want to think I'm so cold.
You cold? Okay. Alright. And then, you know, we're able to stay in a good place para sa family. Ayan, very comfortable kami dito and all. And, oh, may nag-comment pala if free yung accommodation namin and how I wish free siya, guys. But unfortunately, it's all out sa aming pocket. But again, this is temporary, you know. We will move very soon and then, yeah, this too shall pass. Kasi sobrang mahal, guys. Alam niyo ba na yung mga hotel lang namin, no? Like, maybe 10 days dito sa hotel na mga ganito is already like 1 month rental namin sa kung long-term na rental na. So, that's why, you know, we're very happy that we got the place. Ang daming nagsabi na very lucky daw kami kasi nakakuha daw kami kaagad ng marirentahan na bahay. Kasi at the moment daw talaga, there's so many people looking for places and yeah, we just got very lucky that yeah, they offered it to us. Baby girl! Baby girl, what happened?
Mommy, I got special blanket.
Is that a special blanket?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Come inside.
Okay, I will. I'll bring Celine over. And oh, we'll go out. We'll have something to eat, okay? Yan lang din yung issue dito, guys. Yan.
When I comes back.
How about now? I'm so hungry now.
It won't be long. It will be... he's gonna come soon.
Yeah. Now we'll go back when Daddy comes home, okay? Okay? Yeah, yun nga lang yung mahirap dito, guys. Kasi nga hotel, diba? So, wala tayong kalan. Everything na magagamit natin for cooking. So, it means we have to go out and, yeah, eat out for this week. Kasi yung dyan sa harapan, diba, yung apartment, merong pwedeng lutuan. So, we cook. But here, yeah, we probably just have to, yun bang, cereals in the morning with milk. And then, yeah. Like, oh, well, you know, what can you do? Like, you just have to deal with it. Unfortunately, ganun talaga. No? I'm looking forward para mag-move na doon sa aming, guys, bahay. No? We'll go out for a walkie-walkie. We'll go out for a walkie-walkie. Hi! What's going on? What is going on, my love? Oh, I know. Oh, bo. Oh, God. We just got home, guys. And they were crying already kasi napapagod na sila sa kalalakad ba? No? You're tired of walking. Here you go. Paradis. Sobrang sakit ng aking mouth ulcer, guys. Uy. Masalita. What are you playing with, Ate Paris? The lights.
Yeah.
Bumili pala ako ng mini chicken, guys, for dinner. Okay. Alam niyo na, hindi tayo makakapagluto dito. Got Sprite. Got this. Oh, the rice. Then got the chicken. Ang Daddy Mike pala natin ay nag-work pa. Kasi diba, late siya nag-start kanina. So, it's covering up the time. Ayan, so half spicy and then half original. Ay, meron. May chips pala na. Ayan. So, yeah, yun lang yung hapunan natin, guys, for tonight. Sobrang nasasarapan ako dito ba, oh. Kaya lang, ang aking dila ay sobrang sakit. Ang mouth ulcer. Siguro lagyan ko muna ng ang tawag dito, Bonjela. Ito yung inano ko sa aking mouth ulcer. Mouth ulcer and teething gel. Siguro lagyan ko muna bago ako kumain para ma-enjoy ko. Chicky, chicky girl! Chicky, chicky girl! Hindi siyang naong sa mga bata. Oh. Hello! Can you see yourself?
If
There it is.
if we turn on the other big light and the small light is going to work.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you experiment it?
Hey!
Ah,
He's like
Bless you!
a busy.
God bless you!
Get the go. Here we go.
Tingnan nyo. Our little girl is relaxing. Relaxing. Nanonood siya ng kanyang TV. That is home na pala, guys. He's making tea. He's making tea. Are you relaxing? Sus palangga mo na nga, baby. Oy, Ate Paris is there, guys, oh. Sleeping Beauty na. Hey, no. Palangga siya, mama. Ay, namili na rin pala si Daddy Mike sa ano, guys. Nag-grocery na rin si Daddy Mike. Ayan niya. Hi, Daddy.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yes, yes, yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
How's work, Daddy?
Yeah, that's good. You right there getting a naked shot of me? Or?
No, she's not.
Huh?
It's the top. You're not naked. It's just topless. That's all.
Want to see the bottom?
Buwang.
Mami.
Tingnan niyo ang dalawa, oh. One each bed. One each bed. Ayan, oh. Sleeping Beauty. Sit outside. Wala kasi masyadong view dito, guys. O, city lang. City view. Why are you so cute, my love? I'll turn the light on. Hi. Hi. There's a light now. I can see you better. I can see you better. Ang upo ni Mama. Ang upo-upo mo, buta man lagi. Ganyan talaga kapag nakadede na, guys, oh. Walang paki. Walang paki na sa mundo. But that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it.
For me.
Thumbs up if you like it. Daddy, thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of his family. That one there is sleeping. Hindi na makita. And we hope to see you on the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Careful, bye.